this is the design that I drew in Affinity, and I want to now transport this into Rapid Resizer so that I can add the colour to it. I had a meeting with a client where she selected the glass, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and find the exact glass she selected and use that to fill this drawing. So the first thing I have to do is save this in a form that I can open in Rapid Resizer. So you go File, Export, and then I'm going to select, what should I say? I can apparently select a PNG, a JPEG, a GIF, PDF, an SVG, or a RRP. I don't know. Okay, I obviously need to watch a YouTube video on what all these different things mean. Everyone knows what a JPEG is, so let's try a JPEG. So, export. I'm going to call this mandala 6mm for colour. Save. There. Now I'm going to go to my Rapid Resizer, which is, it's an online thing. It's not something you download onto your computer. You have an online account. So I access mine through Safari. So I'm going to tap on, I'm already signed in, so I'm going to tap on Upload a Design to Resize. And I'm going to go to, where's my designs? Choose for upload. Now, here it is. And I'm going to assume it's arrived the same size I drew it. So I don't need to change its dimensions. What I need to do is customize before resizing. So I'm going to put color. And here it is. Here's all the different palettes. So you've got wood, you've got block colors, you've got glass of different sorts. Let's see. Spectrum. Let's go to spectrum glass. And let's go to let's do the amber first because that's come up for me. We know it's a water glass because it's got a W at the end of the code. Now my code for the amber is SP110.8. So that's a 1108. So that's the shade. So I'm assuming this is the same shade. This is the water glass version. So I'm going to select that one. And I'm going to tap here. Oh, it's so exciting. Obviously, I'm quite easily amused. There we go. Now, where else do I have amber? I have amber here, 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 and here. Okay. And a different colour. Is that all my ambers? I think so. Go back to spectrum. Let's see if we can find the clear, which is a spectrum baroque. Water glass, clear CD, ripple, crinkle, rough rolled, hammered. A lot of glass. Doesn't look like I can find my one. Ah, is it barnwood? It looks similar, so I'm going to pick that. And I'm going to put it in here, here, here. here. Where else do I have clear? Ooh. Let's see if there's an edit undo, because I didn't mean to put that in there. Or maybe we can just go over it. Well, that'll be interesting, won't it? Okay, I think that's all clear. Now we will see we'll add a different colour. Green. Right, it's got, is it a dark green or is it a medium green? Because the code doesn't appear to be there. Right. I'm now going to try the dark green and see which one looks better. I suspect it's the dark green. Here we go. Dark green, medium green, and here we have the codes. Mine says 523.8. That's odd. Maybe it's an old code that I've got. I do have a lot of glass that's been hanging around for a long time in my workshop, but I'm going to stick with the dark green because it appears to be the closest match. Yeah, there we go. Obviously that shouldn't be that colour. I'll sort that out later. Have I got any other green? Yes, this is green. And that is green. Yes, let's cover that up. Okay, back to add a different colour. Let's find our blue. So our blue is an SP Where else have I got blue? Here. Blue, blue. And now we need our red just to make it a bit more lively. Red, 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 red. Now what is our red called? SB152W. And it is a ruby colour. Must be this ruby red water gloss. Now I obviously need to fill these in blue. There we have it. Now that I'm really pleased with. I think, let me just check. Yes, I need to do more clear in here. So, is there a list at the bottom? Ah, yes, maybe I could, does that let me select that? No. Okay. So I'll go back to Barnwood. Yeah, there we go. And it's as easy as that. Now, I think you'll agree, if I compare this design to the one I coloured with just block colours, I mean, that just looks so like naive and not very good at all. Whereas this one, so sophisticated, so elegant. Oh, I've missed these out. So there we have it. Quite a difference, I think you'll agree. Let's see if I have to save this somehow. And there, it tells me, this is my shopping list, the square footage, on account of us being American at this point, of the colours we need, the glass we need. To send your colour design to a client, use the Get Picture button above. Okay, Get Picture button. Save to your computer. Let's save to computer. Right click on the image to copy and paste it. That's all very useful. Let's see if it's really and truly on my computer. Let's go into downloads and let's have a look. There it is. Well, that's very satisfactory. Yes, we like that. So I hope that's been useful, and I hope you can see how simple and effective and worthwhile it is to use Rapid Resizer to drop the glass colours into your designs. So yeah, thank you for watching.